Romania, a country located in southeastern Europe, is known for its strong economy and skilled workforce. Many companies are choosing to set up manufacturing operations in Romania, which offers a number of benefits for factory workers looking to come to the country. One of the main benefits of working in a factory in Romania is the opportunity to gain valuable skills and experience. Romania has a well-educated and skilled workforce, and factory workers can expect to work alongside experienced professionals in a modern, high-tech manufacturing environment. Many factories in Romania also offer training and development programs for their employees. These programs can include language training, technical training, and other types of professional development. This can be a great opportunity for factory workers to improve their skills and advance their careers. Another benefit of working in a factory in Romania is the opportunity to work in a diverse and multicultural environment. Many factories in Romania employ workers from a variety of different countries and cultures, which can be a great opportunity for factory workers to learn about new cultures and make new friends. For factory workers who are looking to bring their families with them to Romania, the country offers a good quality of life. Romania has a good healthcare system, and many factories offer housing and other benefits for their employees and their families. Obtaining a factory worker visa for Romania is relatively straightforward. The process typically involves submitting an application to the Romanian government, along with all required documentation. Factory workers will also need to provide proof of their qualifications and work experience, as well as evidence of their ability to support themselves and their families financially. From the opportunity to gain valuable skills and experience to the chance to work in a diverse and multicultural environment, Romania is an attractive destination for factory workers looking for a new opportunity. With a straightforward visa process and good quality of life, Romania is a great choice for those looking to start a new chapter in their careers.